you guys, this is the Shappell Show and I am your girl Shappell. Today I will be showing you guys a soft glam look. If you want to see how I created this, how I got this going, stay tuned. First I'm going to start with my rose water. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me, the loose finishing powder. It's in the color medium deep 30. I'm gonna go in and set with the powder those oily areas. And mind you, this is not my everyday day-to-day thing, but it's definitely what I do on when I'm trying to have a good night and not worry about my makeup moving and separating and stuff. Cause just for my everyday, I throw something on and keep it rolling. Like I don't be thinking twice, you get what I'm saying, about, oh, is my makeup staying or not? Because 9 times out of 10, I'm running somewhere, running back to the house, and I take it right off. Like, I don't wear makeup all day, every day. I'm just not that girl. So I have combination skin. And with my combination skin, me putting the moisturizer and the rose water, me putting the moisturizer and rose water on my face, it gives me that hydration, and then I go in with the powder to kind of not necessarily soak it up, but to, you get what I'm saying, give me that mattifying look, because I do use a hydrating foundation. But I do go in, put it all over my face. Now, mind you, I have discoloration, so my forehead is always darker than anywhere else on my body. So that's why I'm looking crazy right now. But I promise you, it's all gonna work out. So I've done that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my concealer. I'm just highlighting in these areas, and I'm gonna let it sit for a second, kind of dry down a little bit, make it a little tacky so it doesn't move. The concealer that I just used is LA Pro Girl in Warm Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes with my air spun. I'm done with my air spun. And now I'm going to go in with my contour powder. Now I'm going to take my Full Spectrum Coverage by COVERGIRL in the color Deep Neutral. I'm going to go back in with my medium deep and just lightly, I'm not even pressing it in, just right under the eye. So for the eyes, I'm pretty much just gonna freestyle. I kind of want to do some browns, purples, something like that. So first, let's get these brows in order. I'm taking NYX Tame and Frame. It's in the color Espresso. in with the concealer, the Warm Honey. And I'm literally just gonna clean up right on the outside, not all up under. And we're gonna take a little bit of that and press the eye. So you guys, this is the final look. Pretty much just simple, soft, cute. You know, I always go for a nude lip no matter what, because that's just like the simplest thing to do and it looks amazing on everybody. So I always go with a nude lip. As far as my hair, I am back in my natural state. I'm trying to get back acclimated and used to it. Hair tutorials coming, okay? Wash days coming, all that good stuff. So, I really hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up, subscribe, okay? All that good stuff, okay? Thank you guys, bye.